I have not started the PlayStation yet. Woo! Made a new G Fuel. Sour Power. But Nux. Yeah. Kicker. Alright, let's get to the nitty gritty. Hey, what is up, Mike? I gotta look alive. I have to look alive because I look dead. What is up, everybody? I even said it wrong, so maybe I need more to say it properly. What is up, my SRG heads? Welcome back to the channel. You are now tuned into Stellar Blade Let's Play or gameplay, whatever. You're here, baby. Before we go ahead and start, just want to thank you all for coming by. Go ahead and like this video right away. Who knows what's going to happen? I don't even know what's going to happen, but we'll find out. And subscribe. That's it. I'm not even going to tell you why. Just please subscribe. All right, so I'm just here chilling, but I tried to take on that Demagor-Horse, I don't know. And I died right away instantly, so that was embarrassing. So let's go ahead and try that again. Wow. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, feelings. I've got feelings I don't want. Feelings. Oh shit. God damn it. Yeah. Ooh. Oh boy. Whoa, girl. Whoa, Nelly, whoa. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Oh shit. Oh god. I'm not doing so hot today. Oof. God. What the hell, man? Like, this is such bullshit. Oh, okay, fuck the hat. Oh, by the way, it was a Super Mario hat, if anybody was wondering what it was. Super Mario! God. Let's get into this. X-Force! Time to get serious with this shit, man. Oh my god. Hats off. Like, shirts, oh my god. Shirt sleeves rolled up. Like, I'm being serious. Like, I'm so serious, my dick is so hard and serious. Let's go, let's go. I forgot I have this too. The stun grenade. Drugs! Oh shit. Bam! Alright, let's do this again. I was actually doing really good when I got pissed off. So let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We're off to an adventure. An adventure that's so cool. That's why we got the little acoustic guitar. Oh, so smooth with that piano and vocal. Now we're all on drugs. Yeah. We're on biker drugs. Let's go. I got this. Nope. Alley-oop. Alley-oop. Nope. Nope. Come on. Let's go. Gotcha. Oh, God. Ha 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 ha. Shit. You're dead, motherfucker. You're dead. Cut him out. For real, that's it? Oh. Yeah. Let's go eat. Let's go. Yeah. Corruptor. Oh, wow.
Be totally exhausted before we even get to the alpha.
Wow, he's being so considerate now. Oh man, I loved the fucking music. They had to take it away from me. Heavy metal. What do I get? Beta core. Yep. Anything here? That's it. What about in here? I can't do anything here. Oh, shit. Son of a bitch scared me. I gotta watch my corners. Yeah, I gotta watch my corners. God damn it, I can't believe you got me. Nothing here, huh? So sad, so sad. Anybody here? No, I do see one enemy. Nope, you don't get to. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh shit. This is not looking good. Yes. Serious mode is working. Anything else? What's this? GG. Yes, Eve, I know you dying. But you're my tough girl. You can. Oh shit. Oh. Is that person? I mean, whoa. What? You gotta be kidding me. For reals? No! Oh my god. Yo. For reals? I gotta beat it twice now? Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Forgivable. That motherfucker. God damn it. There you go. I did get this shit, right? Yep. Oh boy. Yeah, sickness. Are you gonna get down with the sickness? Down with the sickness. Okay, he already popped, so I don't care. I can't believe I died from him. Didn't know you could die from him. Never again. Now I know my lesson. I know my lesson now. La 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 la. I did not know I could leap. Even though it says leap, I thought it meant leap out. Human. Thank you. Skill settings, please. I got 3. Increase the charging distance and attack power of Rush. Okay. Wait. Charges at the enemy and deals the additional combo. Oh, yes. Thank you. And this. Good to go. I guess I don't need any of that for right now. And I will rest, restore my shit, get up, and fight anybody who decides to defy me. Human. Whatever.
Should we head down again?
No,
yes, baby
just
girl.
follow the path and go straight.
Yes, baby girl. I'm going. Going? Whee! Construction zone. I could have guessed that.
How much more do we have to go?
A lot more, I'm assuming.
We just have to pass that sewage facility.
Goddamn.
There must be a way to get across. We can build ourselves a bridge if we use that crane.
Oh, I see a monster. Enemy over there, but there's an enemy over here. Oh boy. Boy. Okay. Huh. It's over there on the other side. Okay, never mind. Can't go through there. Eve is having a hard time getting through small spaces for some reason. Oh shit. I just went in blazing. I just went blazing in. Charging. And I defeated them. I defeated them.
It's a high security box, Eve. There should be some treasure inside. We ought to be able to open it with the drone's hacking tool. I think it needs an upgrade first, though. Eve, let's look for the modules to upgrade the drone.
Well, where the hell is it?
Locked up tight, but the hacking tool should get it open before you know it.
Human. I guess, okay, whatever. Oh god. Oh god. Yo, I made a mistake. There we go. Yo, get up. Oh. Damn. I can't believe I did that. Anybody here? That's a lie. That's an enemy. It's trying to fucking scare me. No, thank you. I gotta pee. Is that an enemy? No, it's not. Mon ami. Bye. Is there an enemy right here so I don't have to fight the enemy and fucking get scared of you? Hiya! 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 Okay, bye-bye. Yeah! God damn, man. Fuck. Tarot TV. Well, here we go. All over again. Bye-bye. Oh, this. Come here. Oh. I don't know how I died from that. He's hiding there. And there's guys over there that I want to beat up and avenge myself. Maybe I should jump from here instead. Ooh. Bam, boy. What's up? What's up? What's up? I may be small, but I am powerful. Oh. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on. Oh. I don't know how that works. Sometimes I get so lucky. Sometimes I'm not lucky. Thank you. Can I... I can't upgrade him. Alright, great. Operate. Okay. But is there anything else that I need to know? 2 enemies there. Oh, I need to go. Oh boy. Thank God. Ah, shit. That works too. That works too. No enemies, okay. Oh, wait. Ow. I made a mistake. What? I jinxed it, man. I keep jinxing it over and over again. Just die. Nope. Enemy. Ah. Ow. Ooh. Okay. Open.
Eve, let's look for the modules to upgrade the drone. I'm locked up tight, but the hacking tools should get it open before you know it.
Human. Let's just go over there. Oh, cool. Oh, thank God. We are now at construction site. Oh, I am not going to rest. Hell to the no. Hell to the no. What's this? Infinite Rush. Increase the charging distance and attack power of Rush. More effective than Lightning Rush. Thank you, mon ami. Okay, thank God. Attack +1. Still? Ugh. Can't. Sorry, buddy. I can't help you out. Is this what you wanted?
try using the crane.
It's not working.
But there is power. That's strange. Oh, we need an ID card if we want to operate it.
Oh.
3 of them, actually.
Ugh.
If the ID cards are needed for the crane, then they should be nearby. I'll look for the closest one first.
They're all up so hard.
Okay, you can take your time.
Wait, what? Of course I'm gonna take my time. One's over there. Yeah, see, thank God I didn't rest, or else this would have taken a longer time. One more? There you go. Oh my God. God, man. That's it for now. God. All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much for tuning into this episode. I don't know what episode it is, but this episode of Stellar Blade. Yeah, I got pissed off, and it's weird how I go like popping off and shit, whatever. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. Appreciate your time. I hope you went ahead and liked it already before even watching it. If you already watched it and you found it funny, go ahead and press like. Go ahead and subscribe. If you already subscribed, go ahead and put a fire emoji and then comment what you want, or just a fire emoji. That'd be great. Anyways, this is Andy from Super Real Gamers, obviously, signing off. Peace. Fuck, man, this game is already pissing me off, but I love it.